In this video I want to show you one more historical example of the amazing pitchfork symmetry and accuracy that can be found in the markets. Observe that I have a pendulum pitchfork drawn in this chart. As you may have noticed already by paying attention to the other examples, by modifying a pendulum fork you can obtain some interesting angles in favor of the trend. Watch what happens when I modify this fork. The down-sloping fork transformed into an up-sloping one, but notice that frequency contraction that is highlighted by the symmetrical underthrowing lines inside the modified pendulum pitchfork. Observe how the frequency contraction inside the pitchfork pinpoints the absolute high of this market. Note that the absolute high in this market is also a massive fractal candle under the light of the fractal flow method. We can draw another standard pitchfork using more recent data to highlight the other edges of this market after this absolute high. Watch what happens when I draw the second fork. The down-sloping fork is able to catch the very next edge of the market next to the absolute high marked by our fractal candle. Observe also how price respects the center line and the outer line of the pitchfork in question.